kind of coming out. I think you're almost there with that one. Oh, there you're there. Good job.
Kind of a lot of mango in there.
Yep.
Ah!
What?
The other one is.
Is it stuck? Oh, there it goes.
But Daddy, why is it's still dripping?
I think some is it's still working through the screw.
There's a lot coming out of them.
That's right.
And it's coming out of the water.
Yeah, the motor is going through a gearbox. It makes it turn a lot slower.
But right here is mango, and the mango is going.
Oh. Now the mango comes in here and goes through there.
Yeah,
You gonna load it up again?
what's the hole in there?
That's
I'm gonna let them go. They're going to cut all those stuff.
You think they'll feed themselves?
Yes, they're going to feed themselves.
They might. Did they?
Well, kind of make like.
It's like they're going down. Well, maybe not. I think if I cut them smaller, they would. The
But
pieces.
they're going down slowly.